Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can first stop any application which is draining your battery. So relax. Now follow these few steps. Try and locate the application. If you are using Infinix phones, any model, try and locate the application either on your home screen or go to all apps, then locate the application. Tap and press and hold it. It will give you a pop-up. Go to application details. Yeah. And then click on force stop. A pop-up will appear, but don't mind that. Just close it. It is not any major system app which will interfere with system's accurate performance. So just do that. Then the app has been closed. Another way too is scroll down to the X column of all apps. Then you locate X Power. Click on it. Click on Power Consumption App Manager. This will give you the hierarchy of all the running apps in the background and the percentage of their consumption. So as you can see, I have WhatsApp running at 63.97%. That's their its battery consumption. Then Facebook Research app is also consuming a percentage of 10.17. Likewise, Facebook Lite. So you can just tap here to close them. Tap on the close button beside them. Then this will increase your battery lifespan. As for the one you see here is my launcher, so I wouldn't close it. This one too should be on. I won't close it. Likewise, WhatsApp, maybe I don't want to use WhatsApp now, so I can first stop it. I'm good to go. So follow these steps and then you can be able to extend the battery's lifespan. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Meet you later. Bye.